Hello, my name is Will from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be telling you more about this brilliant Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI quattro S-tronic in Navarra blue. This approved used Q5 comes with a 2-litre diesel engine producing 201 horsepower. It also adheres to Euro 6 emission standards, which is perfect for those who care about the planet and for driving through cities. The car shines on these 20-inch 5V-spoke star design alloy wheels, which help you to stand out on the move. At the front of the car, you can benefit from these sharp and crystal clear LED headlights to ensure your safety in all weather conditions. Towards the back, you'll find these eye-catching, vibrant and reliable LED rear lights, giving visibility a stylish look. In the rear cabin now, this Q5 features these comfortable and modern leather seats, fold-away armrest, 2 USB charging ports and air vents to control your environment in the best way possible. Moving further back, one press of a button and the power-operated tailgate jumps into action, opening the boot for you. And here you can see the spacious boot, which would be perfect for large bags or even your weekly shop. In the boot, you can also locate this button, which will drop down your tow bar for easy connection to and from trailers or caravans. Glancing inside the driver's door now, you'll find the usual Audi door and window controls, Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, S-line trim, as well as these luxurious and stylish front leather seats. Behind the wheel now, you can find a 3-spoke leather multi-function steering wheel to control your Audi virtual cockpit display without taking your hands off the wheel. And up on the cockpit display, you can view your local date and time, radio, telephone and satellite navigation, all at the touch of a button from your steering wheel. Located below and behind the wheel, you can also find the cruise control. Up on the infotainment screen, you can find your radio settings and how to locate your preferred FM or DAB stations, which are accessible at all times. In media, you can connect your mobile phone to the car and play whatever media you prefer at the time, whether that's an audiobook or your favourite music. On telephone, when your mobile is connected, this allows you to take and make calls at all times to keep you updated whilst driving. Upon pressing navigation, you'll then be greeted with the satellite navigation screen itself, which won't ever lose signal, meaning you'll never get lost with your Audi. However, if the radio or built-in satellite navigation system isn't for you, you can connect wirelessly to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to use your own. To adjust more settings on your Q5, you can find the car tab, which will allow you to access Audi Drive Select, where you can choose between efficiency, off-road, comfort, auto, dynamic or individual to suit your own driving style. By putting the car into reverse, this will engage your rear parking camera and sensors to help you out in any tight spaces. This Q5 also comes with the incredible parking assist, which means if you're ever struggling with parking, the car can do it for you. Down below the touchscreen, you can find your air conditioning and heating settings, which are fully customizable to find your ideal environment inside the car. You can also make use of the heated seats as well, which are perfect for those colder months. Further down, you can benefit from a modern center console, USB charging port, small storage space, as well as 2 cup holders for added practicality. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of this Audi Q5 that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you would like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today. Many thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next Audi.